If a woman can go days without talking to you, here is what it means. When communication suddenly disappears for days, it often reflects emotional distance, changing priorities, unresolved feelings, loss of interest, or personal struggles, revealing deeper emotional shifts within the connection that should never be ignored completely. 1. She may be losing emotional interest. Reduced communication often signals declining emotional investment gradually over time. When someone genuinely values emotional connection, consistent interaction usually happens naturally. Long silence may reflect fading excitement because emotional attachment influences attention, communication, curiosity, emotional presence, and desire to maintain meaningful connection regularly within relationships, continuously, always together, naturally. 2. She could be emotionally exhausted. Sometimes emotional withdrawal reflects personal stress, mental exhaustion, or emotional overwhelm instead of rejection completely. People occasionally disconnect temporarily while processing emotional struggles privately. Emotional exhaustion affects communication because stress, anxiety, pressure, emotional burnout, and personal challenges often reduce emotional energy, focus, interaction, and social responsiveness significantly over time. 3. She may be testing emotional distance. Certain individuals intentionally create emotional distance to observe reactions, emotional attachment, or relationship dynamics carefully. Silence may become a way to gain clarity emotionally. Emotional distance sometimes reveals hidden feelings because absence naturally exposes emotional dependence, attachment levels, communication patterns, emotional effort, and personal priorities within relationships, consistently always. 4. She feels unappreciated or emotionally hurt. A woman who feels ignored, emotionally neglected, or repeatedly disappointed may slowly reduce communication intentionally. Emotional withdrawal often becomes self-protection because unresolved emotional pain creates distance naturally. Hurt feelings affect relationships deeply because emotional disappointment weakens connection, trust, communication, emotional safety, comfort, and relationship satisfaction gradually over time consistently.